Transform your decking projects with the Wolfcraft Deck Flooring Drilling Set. This compact yet powerful tool ensures precise spacing, accurate drilling, and perfect screw alignment every time. Say goodbye to split boards and uneven gaps. And hello to clean, professional-looking results. With its built-in depth stop and guide, even beginners can produce flawless decks. It works with most cordless drills and is great for softwood and hardwood. The design speeds up installation without compromising accuracy. You'll save time, effort, and frustration on your next outdoor build. Durable and smartly engineered, it's a game changer for any deck job. Cut, shape, and smooth like a pro with the Wolfcraft milling disc. Designed for use with angle grinders, this disc eats through wood like butter, making quick work of rough surfaces. It's ideal for sculpting, leveling, or stripping wood down to its core. The hardened teeth provide aggressive cutting action without clogging. Whether you're carving furniture or prepping beams, this disc saves serious time. Its balanced design minimizes vibration, giving you full control. Say goodbye to sandpaper waste and hello to raw, fast shaping. This is sculpting, redefined for the serious craftsman. Make angled cuts with total confidence using the Wolfcraft Bevel Plus Mitre box. This isn't your ordinary Mitre box. It's designed for complex bevels and perfect precision. The integrated angle finder automatically adjusts the saw guide for exact compound cuts. Whether you're framing, installing trim, or crafting furniture, this tool ensures crisp, clean joints. Built-in guides hold your saw steady to eliminate errors. It's lightweight, durable, and super easy to use right out of the box. Forget confusing calculations. The Bevel Plus has your angles covered. It's the secret weapon for sharp cuts and sharper results. Achieve silky smooth edges with the Wolfcraft Triple Blade Edge Planer. This manual hand tool is packed with 3 high-quality blades for fast and even material removal. It's perfect for smoothing, rounding, or chamfering sharp edges on wood and plastic. With ergonomic grips and an adjustable cutting depth, it delivers comfort and control in every pass. The clever design allows clean cuts without tear out. Whether you're finishing plywood or refining cabinetry, this planer adds a professional touch. It's small enough to carry anywhere but powerful enough to leave a mark. One swipe and your edges are perfection. Add rock-solid hold without bulky setups using the Kreg inline clamp. This clever clamp drops right into any 3/4 inch or 20mm dog hole for effortless surface pressure. Its push-to-clamp action secures your workpiece flush to the bench with a low profile. Say goodbye to oversized clamps that get in your way. It's perfect for sanding, routing, or assembling projects hands-free. The durable metal construction ensures long life even under heavy use. Whether you're building furniture or prepping joinery, this clamp keeps your workspace clean and secure. Simple, strong, and smart, just the way clamping should be. Meet the KFS-PUCK, your project's best new friend. These multi-use blocks elevate, grip, and support your workpieces without damage. Use them for sanding, routing, painting, or gluing with total stability. Non-slip surfaces and interlocking design keep everything in place no matter the task. They lift your material off the bench, protecting surfaces from scratches and glue drips. Need extra support? Stack them, rotate them, or flip them. These pucks adapt. Their compact size means they store easily and go anywhere. It's small, simple innovation that makes your workflow smoother and smarter. Drill and drive without changing bits thanks to the Kreg Quick Flip. This genius tool saves time by combining a pilot hole drill and a countersink driver in one quick motion. Just flip it around and keep going. No more fumbling with multiple bits. It fits standard drills and works on wood, MDF, and more. Ideal for cabinetry, framing, and furniture work where speed and precision matter. The integrated depth collar ensures perfect screw fit every time. It's compact, tough, and designed for non-stop productivity. Quick, clean, and incredibly clever. This tool does double duty like a champ. Level up your sanding with the Milescraft Sand-It block. This handheld tool fits perfectly in your palm, giving you comfort and control across a variety of surfaces. The clever curved and flat sides handle contours, edges, and flat areas with ease. Swap out standard sandpaper strips in seconds thanks to the Easy Load clamps. Its ergonomic design reduces fatigue and boosts precision, especially for detailed work. Whether you're finishing trim or smoothing small parts, this tool brings consistency to your sanding. No more uneven pressure or awkward grips. Just clean, smooth surfaces every time. Stay safe and in control with the Milescraft PushStick. Designed for use with table saws, jointers, and router tables, this tool keeps your hands a safe distance from the blade. The high-visibility body and grippy foot give you confident pushing power across wood surfaces. It's shaped for a natural grip and extended reach, even on narrow cuts, perfect for ripping thin stock or feeding wood consistently through machines. The lightweight yet rugged build makes it a staple in any workshop. Safety meets comfort in one smart stick. It's a must-have for serious woodworkers. Get flawless, mitered corners every time with the Milescraft Trim 45. This all-in-one trim carpentry aid simplifies measuring, marking, and cutting inside and outside corners. Its built-in angle guides, pencil notches, and ruler edges eliminate guesswork. Perfect for crown molding, baseboards, and trim installation on the fly. Whether you're measuring once or cutting twice, this tool improves accuracy and reduces waste. It works with standard tools and fits in your tool pouch. Compact, reliable, and loaded with features. It's like having a trim expert in your pocket. Dial and flawless layout lines with the Woodpeckers Precision Triangle Set. These anodized aluminum triangles are CNC machined for dead-on accuracy every single time. Mark angles, scribe lines, or verify squareness in a flash. With laser-etched scales and thick construction, they won't flex, fade, or fail under pressure. Whether you're building cabinets or aligning jigs, this set brings pro-level precision to the table. The large handles and perfectly machined edges make layout work feel buttery smooth. It's the kind of tool you didn't know you needed until you use it. Once you do, there's no going back. Get clean. Professional screw finishes with the EZARC Countersink set. Each bit combines a drill and countersink in one, so you can prep for screws in a single step. Made from high-speed steel, they cut through wood, plywood, and MDF with zero tear-out. The adjustable depth collars make it easy to control countersink depth perfectly. Whether you're building furniture or installing hardware, this set ensures tight fits and a clean look. The quick change hex shank means faster swaps and more time building. Say goodbye to ugly screw heads. This kit delivers smooth finishes every time. Clamp smarter, not harder, with the ShopFox Cam Clamp. This lightweight, easy-to-use clamp uses cam leverage to apply strong, even pressure in seconds. It's perfect for delicate work like gluing veneers or assembling light frames. The wooden jaws provide gentle contact without marring your material, while the quick-set action speeds up your workflow. Whether you're working on small boxes or trim, it grips like a champ with minimal effort. The simple mechanism offers surprising strength and reliability. It's the go-to clamp when precision and speed matter most. Add a few to your bench. You'll thank yourself later. Slice perfect holes fast with the Trend Electrician Hole Saw Set. Designed for wood, plasterboard, and soft plastics, this set makes clean cuts for electrical boxes and pipe runs. The high-carbon steel teeth stay sharp cut after cut, while the included arbor makes changing sizes quick and easy. It's compact, organized, and comes ready to tackle site work or shop jobs. Whether you're installing outlets or routing cables, this kit saves time and delivers results. With 6 essential sizes in one tough case, it's a no-brainer addition to your gear. Clean holes, no stress, every time. Sand smarter with Infinity's sleeveless sanding drums. These drums use abrasive sleeves that slide on and off in seconds. No tools, no glue, no fuss. Designed to fit drill presses and rotary tools, they're ideal for smoothing curves, edges, and inside holes. The rubber body expands under pressure to grip the sleeve tightly while sanding. Whether you're refining furniture or sculpting wood art, these deliver silky finishes. Their clever design minimizes heat buildup, preventing burn marks and gumming. It's the ultimate upgrade for any spindle sanding setup. Simple to use and incredibly effective. Just slip, spin, and smooth. Measure angles with dead-on precision using the Dasqua T33585. This digital angle finder gives real-time readings with high accuracy, making it perfect for miters, bevels, and layout work. The clear digital display shows degrees instantly, while the lock function holds angles for transfer. Built tough with a metal body, it's ready for shop or site. It's compact enough to slip into a tool pouch, but powerful enough to replace multiple measuring tools. No more guessing or adjusting. Just measure and go. Whether you're dialing in joinery or setting up machinery, this tool gets it right the first time. Trim edges like a pro with the Jerliflyer double-edge trimmer. This clever tool cuts both sides of edge banding at once, giving you a smooth, flush finish every time. It's perfect for cabinetry, plywood, or laminated surfaces. Just clamp and slide. It's that easy. Sharp blades slice cleanly without chipping or tearing your banding. Its ergonomic design fits comfortably in your hand for steady, consistent trimming. Lightweight yet rugged, It tackles big jobs with ease. Say goodbye to sanding and fussing over uneven edges. This tool finishes clean and fast in one smooth pass. Make clean cuts in foam, insulation, and lightweight panels with the Minova folding handsaw. Designed for precision and portability, it folds into a compact size for safe storage. The razor-sharp teeth make quick work of rigid foam, fiberglass, and soft panels. It's perfect for HVAC installs, attic work, or soundproofing projects. The non-slip handle gives you total control without fatigue. With its compact foldable design, it fits right in your tool pouch or glove box. No cords, no bulk, just clean, efficient cutting on the go. It's a must-have for builders, remodelers, and handymen alike. Unlock unmatched versatility with the Milwaukee multi-tool blade set. These blades are engineered to slice through wood, nails, drywall, and more with razor-sharp precision. Each blade fits most oscillating multi-tools, making it a plug-and-play upgrade for your cutting arsenal. Whether you're trimming baseboards, flush-cutting pipes, or scraping glue, these blades deliver fast, clean results. Heat-treated teeth stay sharper longer for serious durability. From demolition to fine detail, this set has you covered. It's a must-have for remodelers, carpenters, and serious DIYers. With Milwaukee performance, every cut counts, and these blades prove it. Upgrade your workbench game with TSO 20mm chamfer dogs. These precision-machined aluminum dogs sit flush with your surface and provide perfect alignment for clamping and jig setups. The chamfered base fits tightly into 20mm dog holes, eliminating slop and ensuring rock-solid accuracy. Use them with MFT-style tables for repeatable cuts and reliable stops. Their low profile means they won't interfere with saws or sanders. Whether you're building jigs or securing panels, these dogs bring unmatched stability. Built to last and engineered to perfection, they're a small detail with a huge impact on precision. Assemble flat-pack furniture like a pro with the Wolfcraft Furniture Cam Lock Kit. This handy set guides you to drill perfectly aligned holes for those tricky cam locks, eliminating guesswork and wobbly joints. It works with most common cam fittings, making your DIY or repair projects quick and precise. The jig clamps firmly to your panels for steady drilling and consistent placement every time. Its durable construction means years of reliable use in your workshop. Whether building shelves or cabinets, this kit guarantees tight, secure connections. Save time, avoid mistakes, and get professional results with ease. A must-have for serious furniture builders. Experience the timeless art of smoothing wood with the Candle wood plane. This classic hand plane combines elegant design with razor-sharp blades for effortless, silky shavings. Whether flattening a board or refining edges, it delivers smooth, tear-free surfaces in a few swift passes. The ergonomic handle and well-balanced body reduce fatigue during extended use, perfect for traditional woodworking lovers and modern makers alike. The adjustable mouth lets you control chip size, while the hardened steel blade holds its edge longer. It's precision and craftsmanship in your hands, breathing life into every project. Bring your wood-turning dreams to life with the Grizzly G0995 heavy-duty wood lathe. This powerful, robust machine tackles bowls, spindles, and intricate projects with stability and precision. Its variable speed control lets you dial in the perfect RPM for every wood type and technique. With a solid cast iron frame, it minimizes vibration for smooth cuts and professional finishes. The adjustable tool rest and tailstock make setup fast and accurate. Whether you're a beginner or pro, this lathe turns raw timber into stunning art. It's the backbone of any serious wood-turning workshop. Keep your blades razor-sharp with the Lavoda leather strop paddle. This paddle-style strop uses premium leather to polish and refine edges after sharpening. Perfect for chisels, knives, and carving tools, it removes burrs and hones a mirror finish. Its ergonomic handle provides a secure grip, giving you total control during stropping. Regular use extends your tool's lifespan and boosts cutting performance. Whether finishing a freshly sharpened blade or maintaining a daily edge, this strop is a simple game changer. It's a small tool that makes a big difference in your workshop. Upgrade your bandsaw with the Carter AccuRite bandsaw blade for clean, straight cuts every time. This precision-crafted blade features hardened teeth for long-lasting sharpness and smooth cutting through hardwoods and softwoods alike. It's designed for minimal vibration and reduced heat buildup, extending blade life and improving accuracy. Ideal for ripping, resawing, and contour cutting, it fits most standard bandsaws easily. Whether you're building furniture or crafting intricate designs, this blade delivers consistent performance. Reliable, durable, And sharp, it's the backbone of any dependable bandsaw setup. Keep your hands safe and workpieces secure with the Milescraft 3403 Grabber Push Block. This versatile push block grips wood firmly while guiding it through saws and jointers with confidence. Its rubber gripping surface prevents slipping, even on tricky grain or slippery materials. The ergonomic handle gives you excellent control and leverage, reducing fatigue during repetitive cuts. It's lightweight, but tough enough for daily shop use. Perfect for ripping narrow stock or finishing edge joints, this push block is a safety essential. With it in hand, you'll push smarter, not harder, every time. Get your tool setups spot on with the JESSM Small Metric Tool Setting Gauge. This compact precision tool measures cutter height and fence distances accurately to speed up setup times on routers and table saws. Its metric scale is easy to read and calibrated for professional-grade accuracy. Built with tough aluminum, it stands up to heavy shop use without warping. Whether setting up dados, rabbets, or grooves, this gauge cuts guesswork out of your workflow. It's a simple tool that saves time and improves consistency on every project. Small but mighty, it's a must-have for serious woodworkers. Lock your workpieces in place quickly with the Milescraft 138 Lockmate Plus. This clamp accessory pairs perfectly with your existing workbench dog holes to add extra stability and force. It features an easy-to-use locking mechanism that secures panels, preventing slipping or shifting during cutting or sanding. Made from durable steel with a comfortable grip, it holds strong on all woodworking projects. Whether you're gluing, sanding, or assembly, the Lockmate Plus keeps everything tight and controlled. It's a clever upgrade for better safety and accuracy, turning your bench into a powerhouse workstation. Sand edges and corners with confidence using the Rockler PSA sanding block. This handy block features a 90-degree edge perfect for hard-to-reach spots and tight angles. Its foam core provides even pressure for smooth, consistent sanding without gouging. Peel and stick hook and loop backing lets you change sandpaper quickly and securely. Ideal for finishing trim, cabinetry, and detailed woodworking where precision matters. Lightweight and ergonomically shaped, it fits comfortably in your hand for hours of work. Whether rough sanding or finishing, this block delivers pro-level results with ease. Master Groove and Dado cuts with the Levoit number 043 plow plane, a timeless tool for clean, controlled channels. Perfect for joinery, paneling, and cabinet doors, this plane cuts precise, straight grooves of various widths. Its adjustable fence and depth stop make repeatable cuts a breeze. Built from high-quality materials with a sharp blade that holds its edge, it's as reliable as it is effective. The ergonomic handle offers comfort during long sessions, and the solid construction ensures stability and accuracy. For traditional woodworkers craving classic control, this plow plane is a true workshop staple. Achieve razor-straight cuts every time with the Going Make Track Saw Parallel Guide System. This precision guide rail keeps your track saw locked in perfect alignment, whether you're ripping sheets or trimming doors. The heavy-duty aluminum rail resists flex and wobble, ensuring smooth, accurate cuts with minimal effort. Its anti-slip base grips your workpiece securely without damage, boosting confidence for clean results. Quick setup and adjustable stops speed up repetitive cuts on the job. Whether you're a pro or weekend warrior, this guide system transforms your track saw into a precision cutting machine. It's the key to flawless professional results. Upgrade your workshop with the PowerTech Multi-T-Track Fence, designed for ultimate versatility and accuracy. This fence fits into standard T-tracks on your router table or workbench, offering a solid, adjustable stop for repeatable cuts. Its heavy-duty aluminum construction is built to last, resisting wear and twisting during heavy use. The fence's included knobs and inserts allow quick adjustments and secure locking, improving your setup speed. Perfect for dados, rabbets, and other joinery tasks, it keeps stock perfectly positioned. Whether you're fine-tuning projects or tackling big builds, this fence delivers precise, reliable control every time. Thank you for watching this video on the top tech tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.